Guatemala unfolds in color, in rhythm. This country, also known as the place of many trees, is a mountainous carpet of green, splashed with the color of ancient culture and years of guarded tradition. I spent time at places like Chichicastenango for Market Day. It's vibrant and dynamic. Then time around Lake Atitlán, Santiago, San Juan La Laguna, San Pedro, each village with its own personality. A lot of this trip was about immersion. A chocolate factory, learning how cacao is processed, watching Mayan textiles take shape, natural dyes, traditional weaving, and techniques passed down. Food is never not important. I took a cooking class and was introduced to pepián, Guatemala's national dish, plus a few others. I began and ended my trip in Antigua with a lovely stay at the Good Hotel, a place that truly invests in the local community. Home to 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the city of Antigua, Guatemala is both simple and complex, earthy and reverential, rugged and delicate. Guatemala is the most beautiful wrinkle in time, and this was just a quick look.